I hope that every one of you can see my screen. So I will be in the corner. So the thing is, there are hundreds of technologies that are measuring the state of the person from different sides and approaches. They do that. Bio-Well is not an exception from this rule. We are also trying to assess the state of the person at the present moment. The thing is that the mindset of a person who is doing this scan is very highly important in terms of interpretation. So you can see here illness and health. So we are constantly oscillating, deviating somewhere in between these two extremes about absolute health and absolute illness. Yes, so we're somewhere in the middle. So we are constantly moving back and forth depending on the conditions and different situations of our life. We change our inner state. So, but the main thing here is that when you come to a medical doctor, the medical doctor will analyze your state and tell you, you have 3 months left till you die, or you have 6 months, or you have 10 years or something like that, or your illness name is this, or your name of illness is that. So they are actually interested about measuring the distance between your current position and the illness in order to define, and also they need to define what exact illness is there. So they are more interested in this field, measuring the distance between your state and illness. Whilst we are not so interested in this. We are more interested in measuring your state and then defining how far from health you are and what steps you need to take in order to be healthy, in order to increase your wellness. So this is very important concept. So we still have some people joining. You're welcome. The main concept here is that Bio-Well is about wellness. Bio-Well is about measuring the distance between your current state and the health. We are not assessing what type of disease you have, what kind of symptoms you have, etc. We have other methods for these purposes, and let medicine do this. Define your medical diagnosis and write it down in Latin in your medical card. Bio-Well is not about that. We are doing Bio-Well scans in order to define how far from ideal state